Hi, this is Barb from the Tech Teach Grow team, and I'm here with your Tech Tip of the Week. Let's talk about new features in AI in Formative. Auto-generated formatives and questions. You're going to go and press the New button. There are four options for you, but let's choose Auto-generated formatives. Here, you're going to put in your topic. We're going to look at presidents of the United States between 1800 and 1900 today. You can choose whether it is a quiz or a lesson and what grade level you're trying to generate this for. Then under additional settings is where you can change some of the other features like the different types of questions or the difficulty. And then when you're ready for it, you're going to generate formative. And then you're going to view formative as after this message pops up. It'll take you to your newly generated formative. You can look through all of the questions and answers to see if those are ones that you want to keep in the formative or delete them. Let's say you think of some other questions you want to ask. So generate a specific question. Which president was impeached is the one I'm asking for now, and then it'll give you quite a large group of questions to import. So rather than just choosing that particular question, it gave us several you can do. You can add these into your formative, and then you will be done. Navigation panel and sidebar. This is new. It has a new look to it on the left side. You can look at each question individually or turn on sidebar to look at it in presentation mode. When you click on the question, it'll bring it up and then it'll be more like a slideshow. You can also hide this navigation panel as well. Makes it easier to jump to different questions. We can also import from Google Forms now. Go back to Add, Import Google Forms, and then find your form that you want to use. Either have the name or have it be recently opened. That's my suggestion. When you click on it, you're going to then click Select. It'll bring all of those questions and answers, if they had answers. Mine were all open-ended, to your formative, and you can adjust all of the settings at this point. Since my formatives are connected to my students anyways, I'm going to go ahead and delete the Your Name question. And lastly, practice sets. Practice sets are a really quick way for you to generate something for students to practice. You can manually create them. I auto-generate, import, or browse what's already created. In browsing, you can see just a different list of sets that have been created in 4 different categories. But I'm going to choose AI Generate. And my topic today is periodic table elements, just to see what pops up. I might need to have a little bit more direction in that in the future. After it generates them, here are the different connections. They're like flashcards or matching. You can go and save this or create a title for this and say so it can save in your practice sets section of your formatives. And then the great part about this is I'm going to preview it and I can choose flashcards, match, or quiz. So it gives you a couple of options for how your students will practice these different practice sets. And as they find the matches, it'll give them the percentage or the percentage of what they're done and how much they've gotten right. If we go back to practice sets, you can copy a link or assign through formative.